Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Faceit Anti-Cheat error on Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. So in order to do this, the first thing that you're going to need to do is delete the Faceit client from your computer. And to do that, you want to go to the Windows icon underneath in the taskbar, right click on it. And then from this menu, you want to go up here and click on to the first option, and that it says installed apps. And then it's going to take you to a screen like this, and you want to click onto the search box here on the top of the screen and type in Faceit and press enter. Once the app appears, click on to three dots and then click on uninstall underneath it, and then confirm the deletion and wait for the app to uninstall. Now for the second step, you want to go down here to the search box in the taskbar and give it a click and then type in run, and then go to the run app that appears in the results and give it a click. And then this pop-up window will appear in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Click right here and type in %local app data and then another %sign, and then click on to OK. It's going to take you to this folder just like this. From here, you want to press on to the F key from your keyboard to help you locate the Faceit folder, and once you find it, right click on it and then click on to the trash can icon to delete the folder. Now that the folder is deleted, you can go to your web browser and access faceit.com, so you can download the client again and reinstall it on your computer, and this time you should face no trouble. So that's basically how you can fix Faceit Anti-Cheat error on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.